Hey, good evening. Map here, Map Investments. Make some news today. Some news about today's stock market. Um, the market was up and down with the basically the selection of Powell. He's going to continue to be the Fed chairman. There was kind of rumors that he might have been replaced, but the safe pick would have been just to stick with him. The At some point the Dow Jones was up over 200 points, but pretty much just finished flat. The S&P down, and the Nasdaq got hit because interest rates went up. Um, let's take a look at rates. 10-year 162. So interest rates went up during the day, knocking down the high tech names. Oil 76. And it's on the lower end where it was been over 80, and right now it's at 76. So there's pressure, says here, by both supply and demand. But I saw some news that there was some stuff in I think it was in Saudi Arabia or Syria. Who knows? They'll probably start bombing stuff so they can get it back up, the oil. Gold got destroyed today along with silver. It got hit pretty hard. And now they're picking up a little bit here in the night session. The dollar's been on a tear going up, and I think it's over like, I want to say it was like 90. So we'll take a look on the Thinkorswim. Last I saw it was like 96. Let's take a look at the futures. Actually, let's take a look at the some of these headlines and see. Tesla hires SEC lawyer, former Fed prosecutor. White House has no COVID lockdowns as European nations implement restrictions. That's a good thing. Zoom beats estimates. California ports report supply chain progress. Delay fines for lingering cargo. I mean, guys, I in this market, I would really start focusing. Just try and get some yield. And there's some stocks out there that pay some decent yield. And I could show you some. The futures. So the dollar is at 96.50, very strong. Bitcoin up 1370. Oil down 40 cents, but we'll probably get some missile strikes and make that go up. S&P flat, gold up a little bit. Feeders at 162, and cattle is at 135. So meat prices are gonna be up there. Copper under 450. I've been trying to lose some weight, and been doing pretty good. I've been doing the intermittent fasting, and I've been trying to do the high fat, low carb deal. I'm down about 15 pounds over the past month. And it's kind of funny with this diet, your hunger goes away and you don't really want to eat, which is a good thing because food prices are crazy. I mean, I eat when I'm hungry, but I need to shed some pounds. Help my arthritic back from baseball get better. Small caps, pretty flat after hours. So there's really not a lot of action right now. We got the small caps at over 2,300, 23.32. Got the Nasdaq down some at 16.3. Dow Jones over 35.5. Net gas has been hit pretty hard. It's at 482. Palladium and platinum were hit pretty hard today. The VIX is at 21. That's pretty high compared to what I've seen. Oh, sorry, I'm yawning, getting tired. Wheat has been on a tear. It's doing well, and soybeans, is trying to get to 13s again. Beans in the teens, and corn has been pretty steady, over 550. Rates are 10-year and 30-year higher. Um, so we shall see what happens with rates if they continue to go higher. Um, Bar chart, let's see here. There's some good deals. Um, if you're looking for dividend stocks, I mean, Ford's been acting well, as well as GM, the car manufacturers. Um, some of the tech got hit today with the higher interest rates. Micron had a good day the other day. Intel, it's been out of favor, but I think it's a pretty good value play and it pays a nice dividend. Pfizer pays a nice dividend. Uh, and I would be looking at stuff like that, guys, in this environment, to be honest with you. Cisco got annihilated the other week, and I would pick up Cisco, decent dividend. Citigroup I would pick up, seems undervalued here, and it gives you a dividend. I take a look at Activision. Um, it's been hit pretty hard. I would look at that. They have some problems with the CEO. Um, I can't remember, it was sexual harassment, I think it was, or something. I'd have to look at the news, but I know that the stock's been pretty beat up. ExxonMobil, I think it's paying almost a 5% dividend. Might want to look at that one in the oil sector. What else? So yeah, Verizon pays a high dividend. Those are the names I would be sticking to right now in this environment. You need to get some interest rate, some yield on your some dividends while you wait for some stock appreciation. Um, some of these tech names and high flyers were destroyed today. Vonage got bought out by Nokia. Donald Trump's SPAC got destroyed today to 44. Um, Las Vegas Sands had a nice day. The banks had a good day today because the higher interest rates. Jamia 12, like all these high growth names have been destroyed. UPS and FedEx did well today. I guess Las Vegas Sands and Wynn did okay. Travel stocks, I guess. Novax is a vaccine one. Baidu and Alibaba cannot get out of their way. It's just horrendous. They're so undervalued, but they just don't bounce. Chevron, decent dividend, up nice. Gotta get the dividend names in this environment. Gilead, another one that pays a high dividend. It's bound to go up. Yeah, I mean, it's a tough environment. Tough environment. Basically gone to 200 stocks. Altera, Mo, that thing pays 8% dividend. MO pays 8% dividend. I might pick some of that up this week. Let it sit there. Probably put it in my IRA. What is it at? 43, 44 bucks. Might as well buy 100 shares, put it there in my IRA, and get 8%. I mean, eventually will go up. Actually, I was reading cigarette sales are up. And I think there was a new tax law. I'd have to find out let's end it with that. Obviously, we know that the markets are just making new all-time highs. Um, Let me see something. Uh, Vape tax. Let me see something. I think one of the bills they signed is going to tax the vape companies. So that should help up Mo. I really like Mo. I want to pick up some Mo tomorrow. I'm just waiting for some funds to clear. I mean, you can't go wrong with this thing, I think, man, with the dividend. This thing is paying an 8% dividend yield. Look at the 6-month chart. It's pretty much at the low. I'm a buyer here. I mean, maybe I can get to 40, but 8% dividend, amazing. Yeah, those are the things I'll be looking for in this market. Anyways, like the video, share, subscribe, and be safe out there. Market's at all-time highs and just keeps making highs. And if you need to hedge. I'm not really hedging. I'm just looking for some pullbacks, and I'm trying to get some of these high dividend stocks and just leave them there and collect dividends. Since I'm working and stuff like that, I don't really have time to be really trading anymore. So might as well just earn some interest on the money I'm making. Anyways, take care, be safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.